Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're here in Tomato Alley, and these are now ready to be staked. We're going to stake them using the Florida weed, and I'm going to bring you along, show you how I do that. Let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is put the T-post up. And we have one here, and I'm going to use this post driver to put it in. So hopefully you can see we have the 3 posts in, and now we're going to go ahead and do the trellising. I'm going to start. I have a band of twine here, and what I'm going to do is to start here and wrap it around several times and then tie it off. Then we're going to take the ball of twine and make sure I have enough in my hand, and we're going to go weaving around the plants on down. So we started on the left side of this one. We're on the right side of this one. We'll go back on the left side of this one and keep going down until we come to the second post. Okay, once we get to the second post, we're going to wrap it around the post several times, just like we did the first one. And you want it tight, but not too tight so that it goes or digs it into the plants. Okay, just like that. Then we're going to go around this one. Now, when I come back, I'm going to have to hold this one to stand it up. Go around this one this way. Around this one. Back around this one. Back around this one. Around this one. And around this one this way. So now that we have reached the end, just like we did at the second one, we're going to go around several times, pulling it tight, but not too tight so that the twine digs into the plants. And now we're just going to go the opposite way around each plant like we did the first time. Now we're back to the one that I said I was going to have to hold up. So I'm holding it with my left hand and doing the weave with my right hand. And we're back to going around the second post several times. Pulling it tight. Now we weave around this one. So once you get it started, it's not too difficult. And we're back to the first T-post. And we're going to wrap around several times, making sure it's tight, but not tight enough to dig into the plants. And then tie it off. And I'm just going to make a double slip knot to tie everything. Oh, that one broke. Let's try it again. And there we go. We have one layer of the Florida weave. I think I'm probably going to have to put another one, so I'm going to go ahead and do that one. So we got 2 rows or lines of twine on the tomatoes, and up and down the line they are standing up pretty well. This one is a little crooked down at the bottom, and I didn't want to risk breaking the stem, so I left it as it was, but it's secure, and the other ones are down there as well. Overall, I think I did a pretty decent job. When it's time to do another row, we'll go ahead and add a third tying to it. But this is the Florida weave, ladies and gentlemen. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this task. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you found it interesting, brought a smile to your face, and a little joy to your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. As far as this video goes, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a remark, and I will reply. Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.